them do that intimate kiss. You voted, at ngayon, all you have to do is find out the one that kissed the rest. Which one shall be tagged as the most romantic Kapuso smooch? The nominees are Fredo and Jezebel in Jezebel, Facundo and Lola in La Lola, Kim Samsoon and Cyrus in My Name is Kim Samsoon, Rod and Christine in Magdusa Ka. The most romantic Kapuso smooch shall be tagged now in the Kapuso Tag Awards Revelation Day.
Sandali lang. Malapit na yun, ha?
Yan po ang mga nominees para sa ating Kapuso Smooch
Correct.
Awards. Alam mo, Jolina.
Ano na naman?
Oh, bakit naglalak? Sasabihin ko pala.
Para lang ikaw may sasabihin. Ano yun?
Hindi, wala eh. Ikaw naman eh. Tuloy na natin eh.
Ay, hindi siya na lang. Ay, naku, ito na for the Kapuso Smooch Awards. You have tagged
Fredo and Jezebel in Jezebel,
Ding Dong and Marian to accept their award with the team behind Jezebel, Helen Sese, Executive Producer, and Irene Villamor, Associate Director, Michelle Borja, Associate Producer, Rebia Obalda, Erwin Hilado, May Borja, Joy Lumboy, and Earl Estanislao.
Galing!
Congratulations!
Next year, dapat tayo na yung mananalo, ah.
Good luck sa kiss. Nako, at ang lucky texter sa Kapuso Smooch Tag Awards ay si Gail Magtolis. Gail, eto ha, nanalo ka ng My Phone TV 21 Duo Cellphone.
At eto pa ang isang category na